welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to be doing a quick review of the bag and accessory that we got for Samsung Galaxy Book S. This is one of the first generations of Samsung mobile laptop, and they're quite good. And this one runs on Windows, which is, like I said earlier in a video, that is the advantage for people into accounting, because some of the Mac iOS can't run the software they use. So my partner got this, and we needed to have a bag for it to protect it. So we got this one from Amazon. There's one pouch on Samsung website, but it was about £69, and I thought this probably was cheaper. So I got this one, I think about £40 from Amazon. And the benefit of this is that you can actually charge on the go, and it has some compartments that you can put all the chargers and maybe your phone, and it has like a sling that you can also put this at your back on the go. So it's quite good. It's exactly the size, so it opens on one side and then you pop in your laptop straight into it. Very nice, very convenient for a man to carry, or even a lady as well. I've got it in a grey color, and I think there are several colors on Amazon. It's called Domso, and I'll probably put the link at the bottom of this video. I hope you like this bag, and I hope you'll be able to find it useful for your Samsung or any laptop at all. I can even try it with my iPad and other items that I also have. Let me see if I can use this also for my Mac Pro. So I'm going to take the Samsung out of it and bring out my Mac Pro. It's also 13-inch, and it goes straight in. So you can use this bag for any laptop up to, I think, 14 inches actually. So, and the benefit, like I said, there's a hole there that you can leave your laptop protected and connect the cable through to charge your laptop. Thank you for watching my channel, and I hope to see you again soon. Goodbye.